Hey y'all, well, I'm over at this old house that I finally decided to come to and take some video of. And over here we got this sprawling field, and behind it I think is a farm. Look how big this tree is. This sucker is big. Still got the tire tied to it, lichen on the thing, and like a foot tire. I'm probably trespassing, but I didn't see a no trespass sign. So until somebody says, hey, you can't go over there, I'm going to go ahead and do it. I like to go over there and see what that's all about. If anybody asks, I'm just saying, well, I'm just doing some video for see if this house can be sold or something. I'm not really actually wondering. Okay, so this is different. Has 2 layers. Wow, this is something. I was going to go in here, but I don't know if I want to do that. Yeah. It is a basement. I'm not quite sure, which was probably a den at one point. I'm not quite sure I want a hot water heater. I'm not quite sure I want to go all the way in there just yet. This looks like some steps that went around this way. There's some next door neighbors, so I'm going to try to be a little quiet. Not make too much of a ruckus. Look at this damn thing all over me. Golly. Alright. So, no doubt animals can get in here. I don't know what these little things are on the window. There's a deck. And this part right here is kind of caved in. I guess that's some kind of room there. That other side had like a glass on it. Got a tin roof to it. Oh, wow. Like a big limb hit it or something. So a magnolia tree. That's real nice. I'm gonna probably try and see if I can get in there, see what it looks like on the first story. But I just, like I said, was a little apprehensive about it. Right here seems to be the main fireplace, and that goes to this bottom section we're just in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try the front door, see if it's open. Looks like there's a lot of brickwork somebody piled up. A lot of wood damage. Oh, okay. And somebody tore out the stoop. Okay. Yeah, it looks like there's just a house has been gutted, and you can see the bottom of the floor. I don't know if I want to step on this. It kind of feels unsteady. It's not really much to see here. Be really careful. Trying to find where the darn struts are. Ooh, that goes down to the bottom. Okay, so this is very simple. Really simple, almost boring. Smells musty. I wonder where the darn kitchen is. I really wonder what this is underneath here, because you can see the steps go down. Let's see if this opens. It's probably like stuff to put in, just like a shed thing. All the insulation was stripped out. This seems to be a bedroom, maybe. This was a bathroom. This was the bathroom for one of the bedrooms, I guess. This might have been a laundry room. Or maybe that was. I find myself really holding on to the doors. I was like, whoa! What do we got here? Do I have a light on my phone? What the heck? Oh, this is the closet. That's all it is. Oh, there's the light. Oh, I'm not trying to use an ultra wide. These windows are pretty recent because I used to pass by here quite a lot going to work, and I'd seen they were doing the windows and stuff. I guess they were trying to sell the house. Oh, speed forward. Yeah, I thought this would have more to it. It's slightly boring. I'm not going down those steps. Let this truck go by. There's a guy out there looking at me. See, he's looking at me. Okay, I'm looking at you, looking at me. There's that girl. I'll be on. That'd be good. we'll take a look down here. I've been wanting to do this forever. Probably see I can find who owns that house over there. There's another house over here that I'd like to look into. Back road there to a field. Oh, okay, so the gate's closed. Can't go through there. I have a way I can turn around though. Damaged. Tire swings. Circular driveway. Well, it's not really circular, it's more like oval. Pretty cool though. Oh well.